Greetings and a warm welcome to MyGenie tutorial video designed specifically for the employers, where we will explore the seamless and simple process of quickly procuring top consultants, whom we refer to as Genies. MyGenie serves as a unique platform that brings together top employers' opportunities and high-caliber talent, fostering a synergistic connection. Be assured, every talent undergoes a rigorous 30-point inspection screening process to ensure the utmost quality of the consultants. In addition to this, MyGenie also offers a wealth of information, ideas, and views, along with valuable tools, solution accelerators, leading-edge products, competency advisory services, great benefits, world-class account management, and a responsive service desk, catering to the needs of all customer stakeholders involved. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to use MyGenie's advanced search functionality. With its wide range of features, you will gain the ability to meticulously define your search parameters, ensuring that you quickly find the ideal consultants tailored to meet your precise requirements. So, without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. In the login page, enter your credentials, your username and password, and click on the Submit button to log into MyGenie. Now, at the top, you can see the search bar is located. You can start a basic search by simply typing the keywords related to the consultant you are looking for in this search bar, like the role, specialization, proficiency, etc. You can enter up to 5 keywords here. After typing, hit the search button to see the results, or you can access the advanced search option here to make a more refined search. First, let's see an example of the basic search. Let's type in this search box, software developer, and then, more than 5 years experience. Now let's see the search results by clicking on the search button. So, in the search results, there are 49 records found based on the keywords I entered. Also, we can see, on the left side of the search results, profiles of consultants matching my entered keywords are displayed. To view a concise summary of a profile, click on Brief Summary here. The brief summary is displayed on the right side for your convenience. Here you have 3 options: view full profile, share the profile by email, and watch the profile video if it's available. I will talk about view full profile a little bit later. For now, let's explore filters and advanced search option one by one. The filters are located here. You can utilize these to filter your search results precisely. You can filter by location, proficiency, role, and registration date. You can also add more filters to your results by clicking on More Filters. Like rate per hour, experience, rating. Now if you click OK, these filters will be applied to your search results. If you need to remove all applied filters, simply click on the Clear Filters button provided here. Now let's see how you can use our advanced search feature to make a highly refined search. Click on the Advanced Search option here. Now, in this pop-up, you can see these 7 search parameters. Enter each parameter one by one. Select the industry. Select the department. Select the state. As an example, let's enter New York as the desired state for your search. Specify the discipline in which you would like to conduct your consultant search. Let's select application here, for instance. From here, select the proficiency you require. Let's select senior, more than 5 years of experience. Enter the specialization you need. Let's say Hadoop. Now, select the city from here. Let's select New York City for example. Finally, click here to see the advanced search results. So, as you can see, based on the parameters provided in the advanced search, a total of 12 records have been found as the corresponding results. You will have the same interface and options like before. I hope you have acquired an understanding of both search functionalities. Now, let us explore the feature of viewing the full profile of a consultant. Also, I will guide you on how to save a consultant profile and initiate the booking process. Click here to open the full profile of a consultant. Now here you can see all the necessary information related to the profile like Genie Details Summary, Genie Skill Summary, Product Detail Summary, You can save a consultant profile by clicking on Save Genie here. To view the saved profile, just open Save Genie from here. You can view the full profile and delete the profile from your saved list also. Let's open full profile again. To check the availability of this consultant, kindly click on the calendar icon provided here. Here you can see his fully detailed availability calendar. So, green means he is available for full-time jobs in all of these dates marked as green in the calendar. Orange means he is available for part-time jobs in the dates marked as orange in the calendar. Blue means he is available for flexible time jobs in the dates marked as blue. And finally, red means he is not available for all the dates, which are marked as red in the calendar. Finally, if you want to hire this consultant, then click on the Initiate Booking option here to proceed. And now select the job for which you want to hire this consultant. Remember, you can only select one job at a time. Select the job by clicking on the checkbox provided here. And if you need to deselect, simply click on Undo Check here. After you have finalized your job selection, click on Submit and your booking request will be sent to this consultant. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Our aim was to present this in a simple and understandable manner, and we hope that it has served its purpose.